A lot of worry in global markets this week, with investors heading for the exit doors on the back of softer U.S. economic data and ongoing efforts on behalf of the U.S. administration to ramp up protectionist trade policy. On Wednesday, the U.S. announced it would be imposing a fresh round of tariffs on EU goods. We've since seen equities come under quite a bit of pressure, while risk-correlated FX has suffered in sympathy. The yen has absorbed a lot of this risk liquidation inflow on traditional correlations, though BOJ Funo was out earlier doing his best to offset yen demand by way of a dovish round of comments that talked of persistent easing, negative interest rate policy, and asset purchases. It also looks as though the SNB has been doing what it can to avoid market pressures that would demand a higher franc in the current backdrop, though this will be a tough task for the SNB if the risk-off price action persists. On the Brexit front, Boris Johnson has submitted his self-defined, constructive, and reasonable new Brexit agreement in which the Irish backstop has been removed, though there has still been resistance from the EU side despite Johnson's warning that failure to compromise will result in the UK walking away. We continue to see all of this as progress towards an eventual deal, as we do not believe it will be in the best interest of the UK or the EU to see a no-deal Brexit. Looking ahead, key standouts on today's calendar include an ECB Guindos speech, Fed Evans appearance, UK services PMIs, German and Eurozone services PMIs, Eurozone retail sales, Eurozone producer prices, a Fed Coral speech, U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. ISM non-manufacturing, U.S. factory orders, and a Fed Mester speech. That's all for now.